Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the door switch in a Frigidaire washer. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a flat blade screwdriver and a pair of pliers. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new door switch. The door switch tells the control board the status of the door. If the washer won't start, the door switch should be checked and replaced if needed. Open the door. Using the flat blade screwdriver, pry the outer boot clamp starting at the bottom where the spring is. And we're going to pull off the boot from the front lip and tuck it inside, out of the way. So next we need to reach inside and disconnect the left wire from the door switch terminal. Squeeze the side tabs and push the door switch out. Remove the second wire. This is the old door switch next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Connect the wire to the right side switch terminal. Push in the new door switch until it locks in. Reach in again and connect the second wire to the switch. Pull out the door boot seal, and then we're going to install it on the outer lip. Take your time, no rush. The mistake could be very costly. You can flood your house. Make sure it's all the way on. Check it visually. And now I can put the clamp on. To install the front clamp, put it into the groove with the spring at 6 o'clock. Then grab the loop with the pliers, pull on the spring, stretch it, and install the clamp into the groove. Make a visual check, make sure it's inside, and also that the boot is all the way on, and you can pull on the boot seal so it won't come off. If it will come off, we do it again. All right, now we can close the door. Plug the washer in and make sure it runs good. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other repair videos available on our site, on Facebook, and on YouTube.